This is the 20th of November, Wednesday. This is the daily chart of the Dow Jones. I spoke about this briefly. We're in an uptrend on the daily, and that the daily was weak, and that the breakout is weak. The breakout level is this kind of 27,490 area, 450 area, something like that. This breakout here, it's weak, but it was supported here. But yesterday was quite an interesting day. We've got what's called an engulfing bar. This is quite powerful. Supply entering the market. We tried to go higher in the London session, and then basically the US session crushed it. Right. So at the moment we've got a bit of support here at 27,840, which is currently the Asia lows. That's kind of what I'm looking to break later on, 27,840, and I'm looking for it to come down into this kind of maybe this 27,680 area, something like that, 150. It could come down to the 27,580 area, but I am looking for more weakness in this chart because of this daily engulfing bar here. We're going to look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour, it was in an uptrend, solid uptrend for the last since maybe really we could say it started back here. So the 4 hours been in a solid uptrend. We can see the chandelier stops underneath following up the 4 hour. Now the 4 hour dynamics has changed. We've got the chandelier stops going above. We're kind of breaking down below the middle Bollinger Band, this trend line here, and we're now looking to, unless we get back above 27,960 on the 4 hour, I'm really looking to look for weakness on rallies. Okay. So I'm looking to sell the open range breakdown today. The open range is the first half an hour of London or the first half an hour of US, depending on what you're trading. Dow Jones can work for the half hour of London. It's okay. I do use it. So I'm going to be plotting the high and low of that. I'm going to be looking for a breakdown of 27,840. I'm going to be looking for a move down into 27,770, 27,670, and 27,580. It really all depends on what happens on the open range, but I'm preferring, based upon the daily chart here, okay, based upon this engulfing candle here, all right, I'm based on that on the daily. It's quite a powerful signal, sign of weakness, supply entering the market. Now, if we break 27, this kind of level here, okay, and I'm just going to go in the weekly chart and see how this looks. This was the breakout level here that I'm talking about. So this kind of 27,440 area. We may come and test this. If we break this level on a down move, and let's say we get weakness on this week and we close somewhere on the lows of this bar, 27,500, we can essentially say the Dow is on a reversal, and that this weakness that we've seen, that I spoke about in the daily before, which is we can see on the way up, you see here, we see an up bar, the volume is very low. We see here an widespread up bar, the volume is high. This is sellers entering the market, okay, potential supply entering the market here, because since then in 1-2 we went sideways, and then we kind of went up on a very weak move. Again, we see this kind of, but you can see these are well, they're bought on dips, but artificially so, because the volumes on this and the way they moved up intraday was very messy, extremely messy. This is how a non-messy chart looks. Okay, that's how a non-messy chart looks. That is selling, non-messy, down move, sideways consolidation, no demands, try to move up, supply entering the market, going across here. Again, we see supply entering the market there, supply entering the market there. So this weakness that's here, supply entering the market on that bar, played out to the lows. This is heavy selling. Okay, when we look at up moves on up move days, it's been quite messy. You see, like here, messy up move, down move, up move, like all kinds of shit going on here. Very, very messy moves, and then all of a sudden it just takes off. I mean, this is supply entering the market here, supply entering the market here, supply entering the market here, supply entering the market here. So we can see here, this actually was sold on the way up, right? Okay, so all that weakness on that chart played out yesterday. But we didn't see too much buying here, did we? A little bit of buying there, got absorbed, tried to move up, got absorbed, tried to move up, got absorbed. This is a very, very classic. This is the kind of day that I like to trade, and I did trade down to, I didn't trade as far as I would have liked. I came to 27,965, and then I called it a day. I didn't think it would go much lower than this. So that's kind of the Dow. Okay, so we're looking for breakdown of this 27,840 number. We're looking for moves into 27,670, kind of that area today. Okay.